I just realized I've been holding the camera the wrong way to get the full screen. There we go. The other videos, they shows that border around it. Now I got it. Now I got to hold it like this. Over here in Springfield, PA, the sun's out. It's melting the snow really good. Sun feels good. Hopefully tomorrow when it warms up to like 37, 38, it'll melt a lot of this stuff. So, yeah, we're in Delaware County, Springfield, PA. I'm on Baltimore Pike right now. Heading up to this Dunkin' Donuts, get a coffee. Nice day though to be out for a little walk. Yeah. Got, oh shoot. Man, isn't that the luck? Just walked by and under a tree and bird just pooped on my head. See them up there? I'm gonna have to go in Dunkin' and wash my hair in the sink. Maybe that's the lucky thing, huh? I don't know. But yeah, I felt something. I'm like, oh shit. Oh well. That's all I got here today.